Yeah.
We're going to try it.
We're going to try it. It's awesome.
Well, standby entrance right over here.
Whoops. Stand by.
Yay.
Great, it's nice. Just make sure your face cards are inside.
All right, thank you. Ooh. It's scary down here. Oh, look, the tower. Okay, but they enter the Tower of Terror.
The Tower of Terror.
Look at the cobwebs.
Wow.
Look, that's the lamp I saw through the window. Oh yeah, gotta mask up. Don't want to get any of these cobwebs on me.
You want to get the fires?
Ooh, that's pretty cool. I like the room. Hello. Hey, these elevators are out of order, Lise. The elevators
Ladies and gentlemen, in just a few moments, the library doors in front of you will be opening.
Oh.
Please stand back from the doors as they will be opening shortly. Thank you.
That's so cool. Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Go ahead. Do not enter me. Oh, I think we're in the boiler area. It's dark in here. Oh, scary. It's really dark in here. You guys see that stuff down there? It's gonna go straight.
No, it's basically just gonna be like, welcome everyone to the Hollywood Tower Hotel. Your elevator will be coming in very shortly. Once inside, seatbelts go, left or right, and left or right only. Make sure you hold on to all those personal belongings with any larger than the front again, and stay on those gold chairs until I call your rest. That's my reminder, those seats have their seats remain all the way on while inside the hotel.
To our valued guests,
Yes.
for your safety once on board, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all times. And do take special care to supervise your children. Thank you. Estimados huéspedes, por su seguridad, una vez aquí, por favor, permanezcan sentados
It went below
y
basement.
mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del elevador en todo momento. Y por favor, vigile a sus niños. Gracias.
Roller, middle left, middle left. Middle right,
Are you sure? Are you sure you're not gonna get scared?
but you missed this.
Oh, wow. I don't want to do this. Uh-oh.
You're the passengers of the Ocean Common Elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of the Twilight Zone.
That was pretty ghostly. Okay.
One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator into a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you.
Uh-oh. It's opening for us, please.
You are about to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination,
Uh-oh.
in the Tower of Terror.
Uh-oh. Was that your hand?
That was my hand.
Okay.
My hand will hold.
A warm welcome back to those of you who made it. And a friendly word of warning, something you won't find in any guidebook.
Oh no.
The next time you check into a deserted hotel in the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the elevator doors. We trust your stay at the Hollywood Tower Hotel has been a pleasant one. And please do come back and see us again.
I lost my pen.
Thank you.
Okay. Honey. On the wall. Come here and tell us. That was?
That was scary. My heart came out of my throat. Even I think it was still on the ride.
So that was the Tower of Terror.
That was the Tower of Terror.